Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at doing some if statements inside of Python. We're going to do elif and else in addition to the if statements. So let's get started with an example here. Our program is going to be able to guess a number between 1 and 10. It's going to request the user to guess and then tell us if we guessed correctly. So the first thing we want to define is what the correct answer is. For now, we're just going to hard code the value 5. So we're just going to assume the user doesn't know what that number is. Next, we're going to gather some input from the user and convert it to an integer. So let's ask the user to guess a number between 1 and 10. This will collect some information from the user about what their guess is. And now here's the fun part. So we're going to do a couple of different things. We're going to use an if statement to make sure that they've first chosen a number between 1 and 10. So we do that here. We first check if the number is less than 1. If the number is less than 1, that's no good. Or if the number is greater than 10, also no good. So assuming this grabs all the cases where the number is either less than 1 or greater than 10, which means we tell the user, guess again. Guess must be between 1 and 10. All right, let's assume the user's following the instructions. And now we're going to do an elif. So this elif is tied to this if statement here. This code will run exclusively. So if this is true, we don't actually run this elif statement. But if this statement here is false, meaning they did enter a number between 1 and 10, then we will check this elif statement, elif being else if. So now let's check if the number is greater than the correct value. So this will be numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If the number is greater, then we tell the user, number is too high. Guess again. Now we want to capture the case where they guess the lower numbers, so anything under 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess is less than correct value. Here we say number's too low. Guess again. And then last, we've handled all numbers below 1. We've handled all numbers greater than 10. We handle, with this elif here, we handle all the numbers that are between 5 and 10, excluding 5. And here we handle all the numbers less than 5, but greater than 0. So the last case is where we tell the user, hey, you have the right answer. And we do that with an else statement. So the way this works is first we check this piece of information here. If this is false, then we check this piece of information. If this is false, meaning the number is not, the guess is not greater than the correct value. So remember, we collected this guess from requesting input from the user. Now, if this is also false, if this statement here, meaning the guess is not below the correct value, using the less than sign here, then this will always run. So that's how the if-elif-else works. These blocks are all linked together. If any of these are true, then this else block will not run. But if all of these are false, the if, the elif, and the elif are all false, then we will get this else block to run and we'll see the print correct guess. So let's run our program real quick and test it out. So let's try the number 1, too low, perfect. 6 is too high, perfect. And let's do 11. Guess must be between 1 and 10. All right, we hit this case. And then the last case is number 5. Perfect. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.